these are the formula, okay, that once again I have shown you. Profit equals to SP minus CP. And when you change the side of this minus CP, when it goes here, it will be SP equals to CP plus profit, and CP equals to SP minus profit. Okay. And loss equals to CP minus SP. Then when you put SP this side, left side, and loss goes on the right side, CP minus SP. Then CP equals to what is there? SP plus loss. And this is profit percent, profit by CP into 100%, or SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Here loss percent equals loss by CP into 100%, or you can write here CP minus SP by CP into 100%. And this formula also I have given you. Profit equals to profit percent of CP. Loss equals loss percent of CP. And here this one formula also we have discussed. Okay. SP equals to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. Okay. And SP equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. And CP equals to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. And CP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. This I have told you in previous class also. It's the revision, okay? And here, this was the question, okay? This I taught you here this left side one. This was taught in previous class, okay? In lower class 1, 6 and 7 one. This type 1 number, this one, look. And this alternate method I taught you alternate method, okay? When CP is given, profit percent is given, how to find SP? We have to use this formula, 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. And when you cancel them, you will get 1012. Okay, children? And similarly, this also I had told you, in place of this 12 whole number 1 by 2, you can write 12.5%. And which formula will be used here? To solve this question, which formula should be used? Release, which formula will you use? This revision, okay? And I'm telling you. Here we have to use which formula? SP equals to 100 minus loss percentage, okay, by 100 into CP. If you use this formula, then you will get its value. And it will be easier if you use this one, 12 whole number 1 by 2, you can write here 12.5%. Okay. Okay, Celine. Solve this one. It was yesterday's work. And now look here, this one also. See there. This left side one we have learned in lower classes. Now I have taught you this alternate method. SP is given there, loss percent is given there, asking to find CP. CP equals SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. If you calculate this, then you will get there 3200. Okay. This one. Similarly here, this also, here is given, SP given, gain percent given, profit percent given, asking to find the CP. Here we have to use this formula here. First of all, write the given values, then we have to use this formula, CP equals to
bracket SP into 100.
Yes.
100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage.
Profit percentage. Absolutely right. Very good. Very good. If you use this formula, then you will get the values. Okay, it's the answer. Okay, Celine. Now here,
Okay, sir.
I want to move to next one. Okay, this question. In book, this is 7 number 3. In book, this is 7 number 3. Okay. This is the question 7 number 3 in book. Okay, Celine. SP is given there. Loss percent is given there. Find CP first. This is the CP. Okay. Then question tells that, okay, if SP, in place of this SP, look at 19,580. If how much more is taken? 6,675 is taken more. Then its SP will be there 26,255, and CP is there that we have already found as this 22,250. This is CP. Then asking to find here profit percentage. Profit percent equals to profit by CP into 100%. Then if you calculate this one, you will get 18% as the answer. This is the book 1, third number. 7 third, okay? 7 third one. 7 I. Okay? This was last time work, okay? Now I am going to teach you the today's work. Okay, children? Look there.
Okay, sir.
I am going to start the new work of today. That is from question number 8I. In 8 number I, can you tell children what is given there first? What is given there? There is given this person, okay?
Rural had
Okay, for the rural, okay? For rural,
Rural
okay?
had bought 50 bulbs for rupees 1,500. If 4 bulbs were found to be defective, and he sold the rest of the bulbs at the rate of rupees 35 for each bulb, what percent would he have gained or lost?
Can you tell how many bulbs are there total?
There are 50 bulbs, sir.
There are
50 bulbs.
50 bulb, okay? Okay, total bulb. Total bulb equals to 50, right?
Yes, sir.
How many are broken?
4 were broken, sir.
Broken one is 4. Then good, how many?
46.
Yeah. You know that broken bulb nobody will buy. 4, then good bulb, how many there?
46, sir.
Good. Good bulbs, you have to write here. 50 minus 4 equals to 46.
6.
Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Now asking there, what is the CP there first? CP of 50 bulbs, how many?
1,500.
Okay. CP is given there. 1,500. Okay. Asking to find out SP, right?
Yes.
Now, can you tell which one formula you will use here?
I need to find this.
There is given SP also already given. How much given there SP?
Sir, each bulb for 35.
Then SP of SP of how many bulb we have to find out? Remaining bulb, okay?
46 into 35.
35 into how many? How many?
46, sir.
Because 46 were the good bulb, right? Multiply them. What will you get?
Sir, I'm doing.
45 multiply with 46. 1610 it comes. You understood this one? You understood this, children? How to find SP? SP we have to find of 46 only because 4 were broken. Then now look there. What is asking to find? Find the profit or loss, right?
Yes, sir. What percent would he have gained or lost?
Then here, which one is the bigger? Which one is bigger? SP is bigger, right?
Yes, sir.
Right here, SP is bigger than SP is greater than CP right there, okay? Then
Okay,
what is
sir.
made here? So profit is made.
Profit.
Profit is made. Okay, Selen? So profit is made. Then now can you find out the profit percentage?
Yes, sir.
Now you can write here profit percentage equals what? I am writing shortly P
Profit percentage
percentage.
equals to
Right there SP minus CP by CP into
100.
100%. Okay, Selen? What will you
Yes,
get?
sir.
What will you get here? SP minus CP means SP is, look at 1610. 1610 minus what is there? What was CP? 1500, right?
1500.
1500
Yes, sir.
and by what is there? 1500 into what will be there?
1500 divided by.
Into 100 also there is. Okay. 20,
Okay, sir.
20 cancel here. 20 cancel. What is left? Subtract this, it will come
15.
110 divided by 15.
15.
You can still quote this one also. You can write answer in mixed fraction also. 5 2s are next and 5 2s are right and 5 3s are. When you divide 22 by 3, you'll get how much? 7 whole number 1 by 3. 7 whole number 1 by 3.
7 by 7.
Right?
3.
7 whole number 1 by 3. You can write answer in mixed fraction also. Or you can write in decimal also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This solution, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, can you solve other questions of question number 8? Once read cylinder, question number 8.
Sir?
Read question and do you feel difficult or you can do easily? If you have difficulty, then ask me, I will solve. Read question number 2 and question number 3.
A fruit seller bought 60 kg of oranges at rupees 25 per kg. 6 kgs of oranges were bad. If he sold the rest of the oranges at rupees 30 per kg, calculate the gain or loss percentage.
This is also same as question number 8, or not?
Yes, sir.
Good, it's same. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, see there.
A shopkeeper makes 60 kg of rice bought at rupees 50 per kg and 30 kg of rice bought at rupees 60 per kg. If he sold the mixture at 58 58 per kg, what percent would he have gained?
Okay, now look there. Have you understood the question? Okay, I think you felt difficult. Okay, I am going to solve. Okay, Silen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look, I am going to solve question number 8. G. Question is asking us, first over there, shopkeeper mixes 60 kg of rice bought at rupees 50 per kg. Okay, 1 kg. Okay, CP of 1 kg, what is given there first?
50, sir.
CP of 1 kg given per kg means 1 kg. Okay, rupees 50. CP of 1 kg is rupees 50. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then how many kg were bought there? How many there? Look there.
60 kgs were
60
bought.
kg. Then what will be the CP of 60 kg? Tell. CP of 60 kg, what will be?
3,000.
You are right. Rupees 50 should be multiplied with 60. Then you will get rupees what there?
3,000.
3,000. You are absolutely right. Then next look there. Next rice, how many kg look there? 40 kg, right?
And 40
40
kg
kg.
of rice at
Okay.
both rupees 60.
Okay, CP of 1 kg, what is there given? 4 kg.
But 30 kg.
CP of 1 kg, how much given there? 4 kg means 1 kg.
60 per kg, sir.
4
60 per
kg,
kg.
rupees 60, right?
Yes, sir.
And how many kg were bought? CP of
60 into 30.
how many kg were bought? Mixed there? 30 kg, right? How many kg were mixed? 30 kg.
30 kg, sir.
And 30 kg, what will be price of 30 kg?
1,800.
Very good. 60 into 30. You are right. You have tried here rupees 1,800 will come. Understood? Now, can you find out the
Yes, sir.
total CP? This CP and this CP add. What is total CP?
4,800.
Total CP will be added there. Okay, we have to add 3,000
Yes,
plus.
sir. 1,800.
Good. 1,800 will come.
4,800.
You are absolutely right. Rupees 4,800 right there. Are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after finding this total CP, and there is given, if he sold the mixer rupees 58, mixer means what was there? SP of 1 kg given how much?
50, sir.
SP of 1
No.
kg given there 50 rupees. Is that?
No, sir. The mixture
Mixer
is
was sold at
50,
58 one.
58, sir.
58. SP of 1 kg mixer is 58. What was the SP? What is the SP of? What is the mixer total? Total mixer was? What is the total mixer today?
90.
90 kg. Good. Very good. Mixer was 90 kg. SP of 90 kg. What will be there? Rupees 58 into 90. What will you get? 58 into 92.
5,220.
5,220. You are right. You are right. It is 5,200.
20.
5,220. Good. Is there only one student in this class, or there are others? Others also speak. Okay, children. This is SP. We have a CP. How much there? 4,800, and SP is 5,220. Now, do you tell me there will be profit or loss?
Profit, sir.
There will be profit. Okay. It is asking clearly. It is asking clearly to find profit percent. Profit percent equals to what asking? Which formula you will use here, children? Now-
Bracket SP
Now you
minus
can write here
CP
profit
divided
percent equals to SP minus
SP minus CP divided by CP
P
into
divided
100.
by
100%.
CP into
100.
100%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
CP into 100%. This is 100. There must be 100 percentage. This is okay. This is percentage. Now, can you put the values and solve? SP
Yes,
is
sir.
5,220, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4,800. What will be here? By 4,800 into how much? 100. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now look here. Here, what to do? Look here. Now, first of all, subtract. How much you will get? 5,220 minus
1,620.
4,800. 4,800. Then you will get there 420. 420 into 100 will be here. Here will be 420. Okay. And this 20 cancel. And down, what is there? 48. If you divide 420 by 48, you will get answer 8.75. Its answer will come 8.75%. Understood, children?
Okay, sir.
Understood? Hello, Suyog.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Bisam? Riva? Hello, Riva.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, Anu?
Yes, sir.
Good. Niruta, have you understood? Hello, Niruta. Aditya. Are you clear about
Yes,
this?
sir.
Are you clear about this 8 number? I. Now look here. I am going to teach you question number 9. Okay. This is also very easy. See here. Okay. I am explaining here. Please listen carefully and watch also look carefully. Question number 9. I am starting from question number 9. Okay. 2. 9 number 2 I want to show you first. 9 number 2. Okay, children. These both the questions are interrelated. Both of them are related. Look, I want to make first of all clear about this question. Okay. So listen, this question number 9.2 is asking that there are 3 persons, eh? There are three persons. One first person is there. First person is there.
Pragya,
What?
sir.
You make like this,
Pragya,
okay?
sir.
You make like this, Pragya. What is the second person there?
Sir, Pranab.
Pranav. You are good. Okay, you're very good. Okay, Pranav. Next.
Prerana.
Prerna. Prerna.
Prerana.
Prerna. Pranav. You can add B also here. B also, no problem. Pranav and Prerna. What is the third person is there?
Prerana. Sir.
Prerna. There are three persons. You can question number one also you can make same like this, okay? There are also three persons.
Okay, sir.
And first of all, question is asking that Pragya is okay selling to Pranav
Pranab.
at which profit percent?
8%.
Good, very good. Right here, profit percent is 8%. This is for you also solve like this, okay? Same way. 8% profit. Okay. And when Pragya sells to the Pranav, at that time, okay, Pranav again, Pranav, okay, does not keep that camera with him. Pranav also sells to Prerna.
Prerana.
At which percent profit?
12% profit.
Good. Pranav also gets profit percent. What is how much there? 12%.
9,000.
12%, right? And
Yes, sir.
selling to Prerna. Selling to Prerna, okay? And
Yes, sir.
question tells that the selling price for Pranav is how much given there? 9,072, right?
9,017. Yes, sir.
Selling price is given there.
Yes, sir.
Is
9,072.
9,072. Okay. Now, children, look here. From here, from this Pranav only, what is missing there?
CP,
is
sir.
missing. Can you find out CP from Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Can you find CP from Pranav?
V minus.
Can you find?
Yes, sir.
What will be? Please solve.
SP into
SP into 100. Solve it, right? Everybody solve. SP
SP
into 100
divided by
divided by 100 plus profit percent.
profit percentage.
100 plus profit percentage. Let's solve it. SP is given there 9,072. Okay. 9,072 and into 100 and down it will be how much there? 100 plus how much profit percent there? 12. Now we have to divide it. Look here. 9,072. When you multiply with 100, there will be added two more zero, right?
Yes, sir.
And this should be divided by how much? 112.
12.
How much you will get?
8,100.
You divided already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you divided 9072.
Yes,
0,
sir.
0 divided by
Yes, sir.
112. Okay, 112. You got 8,000.
100.
You got 8,100, right? This
Yes, sir.
8,000. Look here, eh? Look here, children. This 8,100 is the cost price for Pranav. This is the cost price
Yes,
for.
sir.
This is the cost price
Pranav.
for Pranav. But that will be the selling price for which one?
Pragya.
Pragya. Good. Pragya selling price will be 8,100 because selling price of Pragya will be the cost price of Pranav. Now, can you find out the cost price of Pragya? Now, can you find out the cost price for Proge?
Yes, sir.
Which formula you will use?
SP into 100
Yes, SP into 100 by,
divided by 100 plus profit percentage.
let's solve. How much you will get? 100 plus profit percentage. Are you understanding, Silen?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now what will be here? 8,100 multiplied with 100, then we have to add there 2 more 0. And down what will be there? 100 plus 8. That will be 100.
8 divided by 100.
And now how much you get? Let's divide. Let's divide 8, 1. 8, 1. After how many 0 there? 4 0.
4
1,
0
2, 3, 4 0 divided by
108.
108. How much you got? 7,000.
7,500.
Good. What is the cost price for Proga?
7,500
You understood
is
how
the
to do?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to solve question number 9I also. Okay, there are also 3%. Ram, Rumi, and
Raj.
Raj. Okay.
Raj.
Similarly, make 3 column and solve.
Okay, sir.
Can you solve, children?
Sir.
Can you solve 9 number 1?
Yes. Yes, this one. This
Can I, Robin?
Okay, sir.
If you want to write down, okay. You can take a screenshot also, no problem. Have you understood this 9 number question and solution?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
clear
sir.
about this solution?
Yes, sir.
Who sells, that will be SP, okay? But somebody buys, that who buys that for the selling price of 1, selling price of the shopkeeper will be the cost price for the customer.
Buyer.
Are you clear about that?
Okay, sir.
Selling price of the shopkeeper will be the cost price for the
Customer.
buyer or customers. That concept will be used in question number 9. Can you do question
Okay,
number?
sir.
Can you do question number 8 and 9 as your work, as your practice work?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If difficult, then you can ask me next. You can ask me next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sulen?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sarita, today you have to do question number 8 and 9. Okay, you all.
Okay, sir.
8 and 9 number you practice. Okay, Suyog?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Riva?
Okay, sir.
Practice. In question number 9-1 also you can make the 3 column and solve like this. Okay, so that it will be easier. 1 column right there. Ram, another column right there. Rumi, another column right there. Raj, and solve like this. Okay, children. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, have a
Bye-bye,
good
sir.
time ahead.
Have a nice
Okay,
evening, sir.
have a good time ahead.